Hi everyone, this is how to set up the TP-Link RE300 via WPS. So first of all, plug the extender into the power socket. Yes, and of course make sure that your router is connected to the internet and broadcasts Wi-Fi. So if you have some issues with your router, check your router's user manual for guidance. And then you need to wait until the power indicator on the extender stops blinking white and starts to glow solid white. So while we're waiting, I'll show you the WPS button on my router. You have to find the same button on your router. This is, you see, this small button labeled WPS/Wi-Fi. So find the same button on your router, and now we need the solid white signal of the power indicator. Yes, I think that's it. Yes, we have the solid white signal, and now you can press the WPS button on your router, and then within 1 minute press the button with the padlock icon on your extender, like this. And now you have to wait until the signal indicator above the Wi-Fi starts glowing solid white. So be patient, it can take up to 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute in some cases, but the solid white means the connection was successful, and if it doesn't work, try again, or you can use an alternative setup methods like TP-Link Tether application or a web browser connection. Also, if you have a dual band router, you can repeat this step for 5G band. If you don't see 5G signal after the first connection, try to connect one more time. So once the signal light is steady, the setup is complete, as we can see now, and now you can use any device to check your connection. Let me use my iPhone, Mac device, your Android device, anything. You just need to go to Wi-Fi settings. My router's name is Manual Steam, so I have Manual Steam 2.4 GHz, Manual Steam 5 GHz, and Manual Steam with the EXT abbreviation. So this is the network of your extender. If you don't see the network of your extender, it means you are connected to the one mesh router that has automatically copied all the settings. Just be sure that all LED indicators on the router are glowing solid white. So now you can just unplug your extender and plug it in somewhere else in Wi-Fi dead zone, or in the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. And if after a few minutes after plugging in you don't see the solid white signal indicators, I think you need to move the extender a little closer to your router. And the final tip: keep the extender away from other electronics like Bluetooth devices like cordless phones or microwaves, so that it will reduce an interference. And that's it for now. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.